All right. Hello everyone and welcome to a very special episode of Laptop Retrospective. And if you couldn't tell why just by what's in front of me here, well then you must be new to the channel. So I have settled on, purchased, and my laptop of the next few years has arrived. And some of you will immediately know by looking at this exterior box that I did not get the laptop I was originally planning to buy. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I've ran many polls and talked an awful lot about the ThinkPad T14 AMD. And I had actually built, configured, and ordered one of those way back in the beginning of January. They are backlogged, at least until sometime in the middle of May. And since making that order, two things have happened. First, this laptop was released, and the specifications for my use case, I drooled. I drooled and I drooled and I drooled, and eventually the availability of this machine and the price of this particular model led me to get it. The second reason that I went with this laptop is not only did what machines available change, but my job changed. So with a change in responsibilities that is rather significant, the advantages between the two machines leaned heavily towards this model being the better choice for my context. And that's not to say that the T14 that I had configured wasn't an amazing machine and I would have loved it and I would have enjoyed it. However, I think that this is going to be the better fit for me moving forward. I still, however, believe that the T14 for the average person is still the better buy, and I really want to stress that because I know some of you will be like, but why did the best machine not win? And I imagine I'll unpack that in the coming days. Speaking of unpacking, we should probably unpack this box. So let's get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the ThinkPad X1 Nano with the black carbon fiber weave top. And this is only available on the touchscreen model, and that's what this one is. That is pretty impressive. And you know what? That keyboard is not as shallow as some people claim it to be. That is still a very, very comfortable experience. The only thing that I think will take some getting used to is that the keys are like pretty flush with the deck in their resting position, but they still have a fair bit of travel. This is literally my first hands-on with the device. This is going to be very similar to the series that I did with the Surface Book 2, because this will be the daily driver. And I can already tell I'm going to like how light this is. This is just comically light. If you've ever been to like IKEA or something and they have like the plastic laptops that they use for demonstrating furniture, that's what this feels like. It almost doesn't feel real. So I'm going to go and set this up. This is going to be the first of many, many videos to come on this thing. If you want to hear the latest and greatest, you want to make sure you're doing the big four. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So when I release updates, and they will be coming pretty quickly on this, you'll be the first to know about it. And if you have questions, put them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. This is, again, the touch model. It is the i7. It's got that carbon fiber top lid. A lot of the people covering them right now only had the models that Lenovo sent out, but I did buy this with my own money. If you do want one, feel free to check out some links I'll be leaving in the description. And yeah, I'll be seeing you real soon.